welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. It's refreshing and has a lot of benefits. It's a radish lemonade that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemons, radishes, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious radish lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have a saucepan here. I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to add my water. And let's take this to the stove and start making our simple syrup. As you could see the sugar, the granules of the sugar right on the bottom, and it really doesn't take too long before the water starts getting nice and cloudy, just like this. Right after this step, it starts getting really crystallized, and you could even see through the water like this. Look at this. When it's nice and crystal, that you could see right through the bottom, that means that the simple syrup is ready. I'm going to remove it and transfer it 2 cups so it starts cooling down. By the time we need it, this will be cooled down. I have my 3 organic lemons and I have my radish. Let's go to the sink and start rinsing them one by one. You know that this is a very important step. Just make sure that you rinse them really good, just like this. Okay, these are completely done, and let's start making this delicious radish lemonade. I am going to start with the lemons, and I'm going to get the juice of these delicious organic lemons. Look at them. They have a little bit of seeds, but to tell you the truth, they have a lot of juice. Out of these 3 lemons, I'm going to get like 1.5 cups of juice. Okay, I have all the lemon juice here, and now I'm going to continue with my radish. I'm going to take this side off and this side. We're going to take just a little bit off, making sure that we don't remove too much of the radish. Once they are completely done, I'm going to transfer them to my blender cup. I'm going to go ahead, add everything in here. And to this, I'm going to add water, just enough water so that it'll blend completely. And it really doesn't take too long. You want to make sure you leave it blending for about 2 to 3 minutes. Look at the color. It looks amazing. Okay, now what I am going to do, I'm going to put it through a sifter because we don't want none of the skin of the radish. We want to make sure that we put it through the sifter, we whisk it around, and we get all that delicious juice. This is exactly what we don't want. That's why we put it through the sifter. Look at this. Okay. And I want to show you so that you could see it from close up, the color that this lemonade it's going to be delicious. I know that once you try, you're going to say, oh, I didn't even imagine that this existed. But you know something? This lemonade has a lot of properties and is nice and refreshing. I'm adding the juice here, and I'm going to put it through the sifter, the same thing, so that I don't get none of the pulp or seeds. I have my pinch of salt. The pinch of salt really brings up the flavors of the radish and the lemon. So I'm going to go ahead and just mix it around. I have my simple syrup here, and I'm going to go ahead and add the simple syrup. Remember, the simple syrup is to taste. This is completely done.
I'm just gonna go ahead, put it aside. I have a radish here that I reserved for the decoration of my pitcher. Look at this. You want the slices nice and thin. And of course, I have some lemon slices here too. Now I am ready to decorate my pitcher. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice at a time, and then I'm gonna start adding my slices of lemon, the slices of the radish, and I'm just gonna go step by step until I am completely done. And now I am ready to pour. Look what a beautiful color. Every time I make this delicious lemonade, I remember as a child when my mom used to make it for us. I didn't even know it was radish, to tell you the truth, but we loved it at home. Of course, I have my pitcher here and I have my glass ready to enjoy it. But I want to show you how it looks in the pitcher. It looks beautiful. Look at this. It just looks amazing. And it's so refreshing. The more ice you add, the more refreshing it is. Well, here I'm completely done and I am ready for the presentation because I can't wait to enjoy this delicious radish lemonade. I'll see you in a bit.
I am completely done with this delicious radish lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how it came out. Excuse me. Really refreshing. The taste is amazing. I wish you were here to taste it with me. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious and refreshing recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And remember, like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.